Here at Flex, we're introducing the Smart Start Tapping Package, our plug-and-play tapping package designed to give you a work-ready station from day one. To lead it all off, we're having our most popular FlexArm, our A-32. And to accommodate a flex like this, you need a serious work table, like our Blanchard Ground tapped top cart. And just like tooling for a mill, a FlexArm requires taps. So we're hooking you up with a $50 voucher from our good friends at OSG. And for all those quality taps, you're gonna need quality holders. So take 5 on Flex. And just to make sure that your tap station is complete, we'll even throw in our mobile cart compatible tap holder stand. All of this with a combined savings of over $500 while supplies last. For more information on the best package in tapping, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.